All right, what's going on, Get It To Go family? It's your guy T, and I'm out here with my man JT. What's going on? What's going on?
What up?
He's riding out in the 2018 Scatpack Daytona Charger right here in the beautiful blue. A little snow baby blue type color. Awesome car, beautiful car. Today we're gonna be doing a little rev battle, nothing too major. Just showing you guys the difference between the exhausts. We're gonna be talking about the mods that we've done to the car. Not so much on my side because I'm still stocked, but he has done a little something up under the car. We're gonna be talking about that. Give you guys a full little walk around real fast. Start off with the little RT Hemi stock. Save the best for last. We'll walk over to the Daytona last. Like I said, nothing done to the car, no diffusers, no splitters on the back, no nothing. Straight F8 green, stock 245s on the back, 20s. We did get it tinted out 20%, and so far I guess that's the only mod. The plus package, so we got the peanut butter seats on the inside, no sunroof, stock RT, nothing too major. HIDs in the front, the singular hood scoop. You get some cold air to that engine. 5.7 liters, so you're pushing about 385 horsepower, a little bit under that in the torque, about 375. So you guys know what it is with the RT. And over here, beautiful 392.
So first of all, what I got done, I bought Pro Kit lowering springs, about an inch in the front, another inch in the back. I put a bigger tire on the back. I went with a 305 35 20. You know what I'm saying? Just to give it a little bit more grip. I do have your rear window spoiler right here. I also do the wicker bill on the back. The greatest part of all, I have a full catback exhaust, AWE touring. So it's got some grout to it. It's got some nice grout to it. I went ahead and tinted out the tail lights, tinted out the side markers. I got super dark tint on the back. It's a little dirty right now, but you know, it's still fast. Big boy tire in the back. I might go bigger. I don't know, with it lowered a little bit. It's kind of hard to get the 315 back there.
True,
but
true.
You know,
nice.
It's all good. Dark tint, you know what I'm saying? That mind your business tint. We don't need anybody looking in the car while I'm chilling.
For sure. Yes, sir. It's an awesome car, man. Yeah. For sure. What you thinking about doing in the future?
I see a lot of people with built Scat Packs. It would be cool to build this Scat Pack, but then it's like the money that it takes. Might as well get a cat, so you know.
Already.
But I mean, the color's different, so I might as well be different. Or I might build it.
What would you name this color right here?
It's called B5 Blue.
Yeah.
It's called, but I always call it Big Blue.
Yeah, that B5, and that was a special edition for this year, right? Okay.
18s. It stopped in 19s. Now they're bringing it back for 23. So you might see me with a wide body B5 Blue Hellcat. I don't know. You might know.
Yes, sir. And that's an interesting fact. So tell me a little bit about the difference between the 5.7 Daytonas and the 392 Daytonas.
So the main difference is going to be under the hood. You have a 5.7 liter, obviously, and then you have a 6.4 liter. 6.4 liter is that Scat Pack, so it's going to give you more horsepower. But as far as technology-wise, looks and cosmetics, you're going to have the same car. Also, the Daytona comes with the 6.4 comes with the bigger brakes. So these are 6.4 piston brakes. I also upgraded my brakes to the power stop, so they're ceramic brakes. A whole lot of less brake dust. You don't have to worry about none of the mess. Always rubbing your finger, constantly cleaning your wheels and everything like that.
Got you.
That's definitely a mod that I would do on all of them.
Got you.
Power stop brake pads.
Nice. You guys heard him. Go ahead and get your power stops. Stop cleaning that brake dust off every time you get to a light. You guys know what it is. We got the intake snorkels on the front.
Yes. Oh, I also did upgrade that because they didn't make these in 18.
Yeah.
They started this in 19, so I wanted that look, get a little bit more air to that motor.
Yeah.
You know.
I love that, man. This is an awesome car.
Thank you, man.
For sure. All right, you guys, we're gonna start out with a little cold start. I'm gonna give you guys a 5.7 first because, you know, we gotta say the best for last, man. It's a beautiful Hemi over here, like you said, in that B5. Sunroof up top. Let's walk around to the back. No red key because we don't have the cat yet, but real soon, guys. Let's get it. Now this is still the stock RT, so it has that low rumble to it. No mid-muffler delete, no cats on the back, no bigger tips, it's straight stock. You guys hear it, that little deep rumble. That mid-muffler delete coming real soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. What you guys think about it? What you guys think about it? Y'all comment down below, rated 1 through 10. I'll give it a good little 5.5, a little 5.5. A little modest 5.5.
You gotta go better than that, man.
Hey, real soon,
gotta
gang.
go better than that.
Real soon. We gonna keep it up. We gonna keep it up. And when you guys come back to the channel, y'all gonna hear that muffler delete. We gonna up that number for sure. Let me turn this beauty off, and we gonna give you guys that big boy 6.4 over here. Aggressive as hell. It's like this shit is just ready to take off. Like you can hear it ready to take off. This one right here ready to do a little something, but this right here, yeah. You wanna punch it a few times? You wanna punch it a few times? Ready. That thing sounds amazing. Woo. That is amazing. 2018 Daytona. That's that Scat Pack for you right there. That is that Scat Pack for you, baby. 392. You guys, let you hear the 5.7 RT real fast. Like you heard over there, that guy is a beautiful and the beast in one. Not beauty or the beast, beauty and the beast. You guys heard it. Man, that's an awesome car. Be sure to check out his car below. I'm gonna leave his link in the description to his Instagram, all of his socials. You guys check him out. If you need a car, this is the guy to go to. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this rev battle. Took a little bit of value from it. You learned about the difference between the 5.7 and the 392. You guys, be sure to subscribe. Ding that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. Drop a like, definitely gonna help us out. With that being said, I'm out of here.